Okay, here we are, ready to hook these lifters into lifter trays, pop them in the motor. What we're going to do is take a quick look at the lifter tray. Take the lifters out, make sure the roller is rolling. Stick them on here. Lifters have been soaking in here for a couple hours, so they should be pretty well oiled up by now. Now you can probably see what I was talking about earlier. It actually takes some force to, not much, but a little bit of force to put these lifters actually into the lifter tray. Go, there's one. This one in here. Go. All nice and oiled up. Yes, this does make a mess. Probably better to use some kind of a part spray or something to do it on. Because we're going to have a lot of oil coming out of this thing. Okay. That will go in there. Go. And we'll do one for the other side. I'm just trying to give these things a one last look because this is the last time that I will see them. Well, hopefully, anyway, if we did everything right, we shouldn't be going back into the fetch lifters. So, not a bad idea to have a quick peek at them. You notice these are keys. The new ones, I mean, really, it's the block has a key in it, and just get it back out here. See, it fell out. And it's the new ones. They just put the key on both sides, so you can put it on either side of the motor. Makes figuring out where they go a little simpler. If the lifter bore is lined up like that, and just pop them in, and that's where the bolt goes. We'll get to that in a minute. About to make a mess on the floor here. Oh, too late, already did. Oh well. On with the show. All these feel good and look good so far. After this, we'll be cleaning up the surface of the head sealing surface one last time, and it'll be time to throw the head gaskets on and bolt the heads on and torque them down. It's probably easier if you have your work bench with these things on it really close to the block, so you can oil on my glove, might as well put them somewhere. Having oil in the cylinders is probably a good idea. Okay, now, somewhere around here, there's a little bag with bolts in it. There we go. And we have this. That we just dropped. But we also have this. Which could be a little speedier. Got oil all over everything. That, baby. Grabbing around. Yeah. Just give these things a feel, like. Okay, that's good. It's tight. It's tight. It's not tight. There we go, now it's tight. Okay. Now we're going to spin the engine around another time and look at these lifters. I don't actually see any of them moving. Let's grab a push rod. See if we can push them down. Oh, there you go. New lifter trays are tight, I guess. Well, everybody seems to have moved, so it's a good thing. I would assume you don't really need to do this, but I just want to see that nothing is janked up or anything, just to make myself feel better. Okay. Put her back up on number one. With the lifter on the base circle. Right now, it just came up to overlap, so around one more time. Timing mark. There you go. Base circle, base circle. There you go. That's That's that. Lifters and trays installed. Next we'll clean up these head surfaces a little bit. Make sure the mating surfaces on the cylinder heads are nice and clean, and throw the head gaskets on and bolt the heads down. Well, it appears that I am an idiot. So I got the one surface all cleaned up, heads all cleaned up, ready to go, bolts are all cleaned up, ready to go, threads chased in the block, and I opened the package to get the head gaskets out, and there's only one head gasket because I ordered quantity 1. Apparently not one pair, just one gasket. So we're going to put this on. And I get to go order another gasket. So yeah, we won't be getting as far as we thought we were going to get today, but we will get something accomplished. Order a head gasket. Probably a couple other things I forgot to order too, so. Not the end of the world, but does limit our progress for today. Gaskets on there, surface is cleaned, holes chased. Go. Leftover oil here from this lifter experiment. There we go. Now at least it won't fall off. Of course this is going to make a mess. How could we not make a mess? Yes, it would be awesome if I had one of those fancy trays that went underneath the engine. But, hey. Well, sorry about that, but my camera ran out of memory while I was in the middle of putting the head bolts in, so you missed the torque sequence and everything, but we're all cleaned up now for the evening. Driver's side head is installed and initially torqued down. It'll relax a little overnight, and then we'll torque it again tomorrow, and that'll be that for that head anyway. I got to go in and order a head gasket for the other side, see if I found anything else. Well, I'll look around quick to see if I'm missing anything else. I am kind of surprised the stuff that I ordered, almost 2 weeks ago now, I haven't gotten my heater hoses yet. You would think the heater hoses, not the heater hoses, the radiator hoses, you would think that wouldn't be a big deal. But the other day, flywheel came, and a few days before that, a manual steering rack came. I haven't opened that up or anything, so that's just sitting there. This is the water pump. I put the thermostat in there. And that's about it. Probably not going to get much time to work on it tomorrow. So that'll be about it for this weekend. We won't get the heads both on there and the push rods in and the rocker arms and all that stuff, but hey, we can always accomplish that next weekend. Then we got to get back to working on the car. A lot of the engine bay prep is done. There's still quite a few things to dress up and connect, and I want to make sure that the wiring is in there before we put the engine in, because it's going to be a pain in the ass to work in there once the engine's in there. So, but got to get the engine back together first. Then we will move on with the project.